So, Mr. Madurai, you've come all the way from Chennai.
Yeah.
And today you're wearing this cool leather jacket. So, you're truly symbolizing the top 1% of India. But your journey was not like this, right? You were not born with a silver spoon, right? You were talking about, how you were making 10 rupees per day.
Yeah.
So, what was your first job? How did you start your money-making journey?
My first job after my studies of 10th, I just completed the 10th. The result I see in my newspaper, my number is not there.
Okay.
So it means fail. You are fail.
Oh, you're a 10th fail?
Yeah, I'm 10th fail.
Okay.
So I see in the newspaper, my friends are there. It is in Trichy. I was in Trichy. हम देख रहा था, पूरा देख रहा था. मेरा दोस्त लोग भी देख रहा था. So every numbers are there. My numbers is not there. So just went back. Silently I went to my home. 2 weeks I am crying.
Okay.
My mom said, उठाओ. Time is over. School will nahi jana. Go straight away to workshop. Because I lost my father in 5. My mom, single mom, and she was housekeeper. She said there is no money to higher education. Better to go workshop.
Workshop means?
Workshop means road workshop, garage centers.
Okay.
So lorries, buses, they will come on NH side,
Okay.
National Highway side.
So you are a mechanic?
I am a roadside mechanic.
Okay.
So it is in 1997. So I was in a roadside mechanic.
1997?
1997. I'm a 10th fail.
Okay.
So I went to road mechanic. Really, I'm telling Sharan, the wonderful job in my life. The morning 9 to evening night. 12 hours, right? 12 hours is hard work. Sometimes you need to open the, pit, oil pit, some pit. The temperature may be 70 degree. And that day, there is no mechanical lights. हम तो देसी का तरफ से काम करते ना. So this is our bags, that is our jacky. Sometimes we put our bag to, reduce the weight and lowering and,
Okay.
up and lowering.
Okay.
We'll do by the shoulders. So full of oil.
Oh, there was no jack to lift.
There is no jack.
You have to lift on your shoulder.
Shoulder.
How old were you?
15.
15 years old?
Yeah, 15
so it's like
years old.
child labor.
Yes.
And you're making 10 rupees a day.
You go real estate, you go roadside works.
Huh.
And obviously, still in India, that is what true. When it is an industrial area, we are using as a no child work. It is 18, so 21 is mandatory. But go into the roadside, still go to chaya shop. Still there is a bachcha log ko kaam karta.
So you were that bachcha log?
Bachcha log.
Back then, 97?
97. So 10 rupees.
So fast forward to today.
Yeah.
From 1997
Yeah.
to 2026, 30 years later.
Yeah.
Today, what is your net worth?
12 crores.
12 crores net
12
worth.
crores in network.
So you are a multi-millionaire now, like $1.5 million.
Up to you. Thank you so much. Your conversion in the USD. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Was it a very common journey? Like, because the people that you grew up with,
Yeah.
your friend circle,
Yeah.
versus today,
Yeah.
how has it changed? Like, is it a very common journey for people in your circle to reach this kind of net worth?
In the last month, I went to Trichy. Those who in my school studies in the 10th standard, even I cannot talk to him. He was in 100 in the max.
100 in maths. Okay.
If I come there, he will ignore me.
Okay.
I went back there, he was bankrupt. He was asking me 50,000 rupees.
What are you saying?
I said, yes. He's my friend, right?
Huh.
He's my friend.
Your school topper?
Yeah, he's a school topper.
Bankrupt.
Bankrupt.
Okay.
He's 100 in algebra, 100 in algorithm, 100 in theory. It's never worked.
I think everybody will love listening to this because nobody likes a topper in our school. Now they have gotten
No,
bankrupt.
even I'm just telling my daughter, I don't look your numbers. Maybe my wife to chilayega. She need the numbers. But I said, my daughters, I don't agree on these numbers. Aap kitna rank le rahe, that is not a matter. The certificate will give you the, paper. The certification will give you the awareness. But the skills will give you the success. In a 5th standard, they cover everything. Maths, English and everything they covered. At the age of 30 only, they come to know what is tax. How the money works. Then 45, she come to know that EMI.
Yeah.
Then 60, he will come to know that, अच्छा, कुछ नहीं है मेरा पास, अभी मैं शुरू करना. Those who are meeting, now they are telling, sir, my age is 50, now I want to achieve. अभी बताओ, मैं बोला, not possible, go. I'm telling you the truth now. In Tamil Nadu, we are very proud that GDP-wise good, education-wise good. Yes, Tamil Nadu is education-wise good, but person, the individual GDP is good.
GDP per capita?
No, I'm telling you the person who having 2 degree, but his salary was 30K, he having EMI, the finally having 2,000 rupees in the savings. That society given the education,
Yes.
but society is not educated how to make the money. Yeah, you talk about we have a South India, Kerala, 98% of education, right?
Right, literacy rate.
Literacy rate.
Yes.
What literacy rate है? Finance का बारे में कुछ नहीं है, क्या literacy करके क्या करेगा? Now I see in Chennai, very worried, Blinkit, and they are working for the parcel courier. Even they don't have a PF. I'm telling you, there is no PF. They category as a partner. Once you partner, there is no position. You know that? Once you driver
Okay.
for the sending the parcel to like Zomato, whatever. He has a double degree, single degree, whatever. But for them, there is no PF. There is no, because you are not employee, you are a partner.
Yes.
They're classified as a partner. No PF. But people are going 2 degrees. What society done? So education mass like you or somebody as a policy maker should bring this to age of 5, 6. We need to educate how this money works. What about people are doing monopoly games? Monopoly games are they doing. I given my daughter's monopoly game. I said, roll the dice, play well,
Okay.
learn the things. And she said, okay too. मेरे को घर चाहिए, घर रख दो. Then next dice, give me the tax. हाँ, tax मैं क्यों देना? Yes, घर ले लिया ना, tax दे दो. So मैंने कमाया, मैं क्यों देना चाहिए? हाँ, देना चाहिए. अब घर लिया ना, अगर कार लेगा, घर लेगा, it is all liabilities. It is not asset. So we need to teach this. My daughters, so both are ladki, so we have to be, as a father, we have a responsibility to secure and safety. I thought let come to finish everything, I'll come here. So for that, I invested in heavily from 13. From huge, even I don't know what about the investment. I don't know the word investment. I don't know about the word of finance. I don't know anything. But knowingly, unknowingly, I started doing something which is later much favorable to us, me. Okay. The later. I achieved myself. I don't know even what is a portfolio, nothing. I have 2 daughters. As a father, I'm a South Indian. What you will think? Gold. You need a sona chahiye.
Right.
Okay. दोनों को क्या चाहिए? घर चाहिए. ठीक है. और क्या चाहिए? Land चाहिए. ठीक है. I don't know about equity. I don't know about bonds. I don't know about global invest. Zero knowledge.
Okay.
17 tak. 2017, I heard the word of investment.
Glad you made it till here. If this gave you even one idea to improve your finances, send it to a friend. Helping them might just make you the smartest person in their group chat. And don't miss the full episode on Finance with Sharan. There's a lot more where this came from.